Good morning, everyone. We hope you were able to enjoy the aurora last night and this morning. We've got a pleasant weekend in store for you. This is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, May 11th. Our key points: we'll see much warmer temperatures and dry conditions today and tomorrow, with daytime highs reaching as high as around 12 degrees above normal for tomorrow. The next system will arrive Monday and Tuesday, and that's going to bring widespread breezy winds, widespread chances for rain showers and thunderstorms, but as of right now, rainfall amounts are looking very, very light. And past that, the forecast is low confidence Wednesday through Friday. Models continue to show much variation during this time frame, so do stay tuned as we work out those details. Current look at satellite imagery: clear skies overhead. Much like yesterday, we will see an increase in clouds during the afternoon, mostly up to a few to scattered mid to high level clouds. Our weather risk outlook for the next several days: very quiet this weekend. The main events will be Monday and Tuesday. Again, precipitation amounts are looking very light, but we will see unstable conditions, so we may see some widespread isolated to scattered thunderstorms. And outside of that, well, breezy winds as well, but outside of that, kind of the bookends here, just slight chances, very slight chances for rain showers in the eastern and southeast highlands on either day, Sunday and Wednesday. So a hydrology update. As you can see, the levels on the Portneuf here at Pocatello have dropped even slightly below what was originally forecast. So levels continue to drop, and that forecast will likely lower as well. But as you can see, about a week out from now, we're starting to see that forecast dip down into action stage. So we might start to see us come out of minor flood stage about a week from now. And similarly, the Portneuf River at Topaz, the forecast level has come down as well. And I will update you on the products here in just a moment, but we have let go of that warning for this stretch of the Portneuf. And as far as the Blackfoot goes, the river here near Blackfoot has come down quite drastically over the last 24 hours or so. So it's actually dipping down into action stage. So we'll have to see how that progresses. And for the Blackfoot near the Wolverine Canyon, for that stretch, it's holding pretty steady right there at that minor inaction threshold there. So like I said, we have downgraded that stretch of the Portneuf to a flood advisory. Otherwise, we still have the warnings out for portions of the Blackfoot and the Portneuf at Pocatello. So high temperatures for today, highs are going to reach about 5 to 10 degrees above climatological norms, so widespread 60s and 70s. Winds today will be light for most of us, but this afternoon and evening we will see some slightly breezy winds in the Shoshone area and further south here along the Idaho-Utah border. Temperatures for tomorrow, more areas seeing 40 and above, 40 degrees, maybe even 50 for some areas for the lows. And then for the high temperatures for tomorrow, several degrees warmer. So this is when we're going to get up to around 12 degrees above normal for some areas, 10 to 12. Some areas, Shoshone, Eastern Magic Valley, may even see 80. And wind gusts Sunday evening. I know we had touched on this before. This is when we'll start to see those winds increase ahead of that system. So start to see those breezy conditions further west. And temperatures for Monday. So Monday will be the day that the ridge breaks down and that system approaches. So our our overnight lows will be slightly warmer than Sunday's, but for the daytime highs, very similar but a few degrees cooler than Sunday. and wind gusts for Monday. So of course, we're going to see upper level flow turn breezy. We'll see winds at the surface become very gusty, very breezy. So wind gust here over 40 miles per hour. We may have to have some wind advisories for some of our zones. Right now it's very marginal, so we'll continue to assess that. But do keep in mind that Monday will be very breezy. And like I mentioned, rainfall amounts look extremely light right now, so this covers Monday and Tuesday. Of course, it's subject to change, and it's still several days out. But right now we're looking at less than 500ths across, and this is just, the eastern extent of our area, maybe in our extreme high terrain around 1/10 of an inch, but just very, very light. So just to summarize, warmer temps and dry conditions for the weekend with highs about 5 to 10 degrees above normal forecast for today and around 12 degrees above normal for tomorrow. The next system will arrive Monday and Tuesday, and that's going to bring widespread breezy conditions, chances for rain showers and thunderstorms. But rainfall amounts, like we just showed, look very light as of right now. And after that, there is very little confidence in the forecast Wednesday through Friday. Models are still sorting out the details, so we will continue to assess that. But we appreciate you listening, and if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. Hope you have a wonderful weekend.